Summer plans is also the next big hurdle for Mayor de Blasio. What to do if the summer of COVID-19 is long and hot. Right now, there is no plan, and one top official is warning that it could lead to a dramatic spike in crime. Here is CBS 2's political reporter Marcia Kramer.
Mayor de Blasio has closed public pools to save money and is refusing to open public beaches, leaving people living in crowded apartments, NYC developments with no air conditioning, seniors wondering how they'll cope if there's a heat wave. I wonder if you're working on a plan. People are going to want to leave their hot apartments. What will they do?
Excellent questions. Okay, thank God it is April 17th, so we have some time to plan. But this is exactly the kind of thing we're going to be going into planning mode on now. Translation,
the city has no plans, but now has plans to make plans. Brooklyn Borough President Eric Adams, a former NYPD captain, says it's important to get on the stick.
We need to get it done now. There must be a summer youth alternative plan. If you don't, you are creating an environment where you could have a potential uptick in a violence situation in many of these communities.
The borough president has lots of suggestions. Fix outdoor sprinkler systems and playgrounds, especially at public housing projects. Figure out a way to open up fire hydrants with social distancing and open up the beaches, creating a zone system.
Going to a free beach, Jones Beach, Coney Island Beach, Rockaway Beach, going to a pool. This is not just a recreational activity. This alleviates the stress of being in close confinement with large numbers of people.
I asked the mayor if he would open the pools if a private donor gave him the $12 million it would cost. He shot it down.
I mean, there's a huge number of people crammed together. There's locker rooms, there's lines. It's everything you don't want.
Closing the beaches set Mayor de Blasio on another collision course with Governor Cuomo. He says he's the guy with the power to do that, and it has to be done in coordination with other localities like Long Island and other states. I'm Marcia Kramer, CBS 2 News.